I've got the results. Although the organizers have given me 3 places for each, and actually we are giving the certificates for the first and second place. I'll speak to sir regarding this because they have given me 3 places for each competition. Whether we can give. Okay, so but I'm answering all 3. For the face painting, for the first year, with 69 points, Pegasus is on the 3rd place. Second place goes to Group Phoenix with 73 points. And the first place goes with 76 points to Group Karana. This is first year. Now let me announce the second year. The second year, again in the same sequence, the 3rd place with 75 points goes to Sahyadri. The second place goes to, again, group with 77 points to Group Shivalik. And with 80 points, the first place goes to Group Vagheri. This was the competition, that is the face painting competition. And now the dance competition. Because we have seen this dance competition. We have seen the dance competition. All must have seen this. Now, I'll start with second years. Should I start from first place or 3rd place? Okay, 3rd place. This is the competition, dance competition. All of us we have witnessed this competition just now. With 68 points, 3rd place goes to Shivalik. With 84 points, 2nd place goes to Group Trishul. And any guesses for the first place? With 90 points, Group Sahyadri. Okay. Now, before I announce first places, now if your mentors are here, after that, after announcement, you all can take photograph, keep it for records along with your mentors. Okay. First, now the dance competition for the first years. With 66 points, 3rd place goes to Group Karna. Okay. 2nd place with point 69 goes to Group Pegasus. Now, any guesses for the group first? With 72 points, Group Phoenix topping the table. Congratulations once again to all the groups performing here, the prize winners, and also the performances. Again, let me congratulate the group, Griffin, having organized this as such a wonderful program. Here there were the judges. Yeah, not forgetting judges for their valuable contribution. Thank you very much, and all the students who have made it today. Thank you very much for your keen interest and that sort of happiness on your faces. Thank you very much. Yes. Now, Polya. ये only trophy मिली, नहीं rolling trophy as well as like a personal trophy ऐसा. आणि हे only different सगळ्या institutionातल्या ताका first place मेळटा तागेली song, तागेली आमकां poem आयकूं येनाका? Yes? So I'm inviting Krupesh over here to recite the poem. This is the first place winning poem.
नमस्कार. कवितेचें नांव जावन आसा राजकारण. राजकारण म्हळ्यार कोल्यांची जात्रा. राजकारण म्हळ्यार कोल्यांची जात्रा, पयशांची चुराहानी, बोकड्यांची केत्रां. कार्यकर्त्यांचे चुलीर उमेदवारांची पोळी. कार्यकर्त्यांचे चुलीर उमेदवारांची पोळी. कुठ्या हडांनी मतदारांच्या अपेक्षांची होळी. कुठ्या हडांनी मतदारांच्या अपेक्षांची होळी. नोट बाटली दिवन मळबायली आश्वासना. नोट बाटली दिवन मळबायली आश्वासना. वेचणुका पयली म्हणटा जनता जनार्दना. नागड्या भुरग्यांक खाकेर मारून खोपीत तांचे बसता. नागड्या भुरग्यांक खाकेर मारून खोपीत तांचे बसता. सुकी भाकरी ताळ्यात सारून मतां खातीर भीक मागता. सुकी भाकरी ताळ्यात सारून मतां खातीर भीक मागता. केन्ना धर्म, केन्ना जाती, केन्ना भाशे नांवार झगडी. केन्ना धर्म, केन्ना जाती, केन्ना भाशे नांवार झगडी. विकासाच्या नांवार मात जनता सगली उकडी. विकासाच्या नांवार मात जनता सगली उकडी. आवाळो दिवन कुवाळो घेवपाची राजकारण्यांची रीत. आवाळो दिवन कुवाळो घेवपाची राजकारण्यांची रीत. जनता बाबडी विश्वास दवरून पाळटा आपली नीत. जनता बाबडी विश्वास दवरून पाळटा आपली नीत. राजकारणी आपले पक्ष बदलीत खेळटात राजकारण. राजकारणी आपले पक्ष बदलीत खेळटात राजकारण. कार्यकर्त्यांचे मात गांयडोळा भशेन जाता रस्त्याचेर मरण. कार्यकर्त्यांचे मात गांयडोळा भशेन जाता रस्त्याचेर मरण. जो मेरेन मतदार आपले दोळे धापून आसा. जो मेरेन मतदार आपले दोळे धापून आसा. तो मेरेन राजकारण्यातूं सेफ जोनात आसा. तो मेरेन राजकारण्यातूं सेफ जोनात आसा. जनता जेन्ना शिकतली, जनता जेन्ना शिकतली, खरें खोटें देखतली, तेन्ना आमची लोकशाय खऱ्या अर्थान जिखतली. तेन्ना आमची लोकशाय खऱ्या अर्थान जिखतली. उठात आतां तरी सादूर जावया. उठात आतां तरी सादूर जावया. देशाक आमच्या वाचोवया. संविधानान दिल्लो अधिकार योग्य मार्गाक लावया. संविधानान दिल्लो अधिकार योग्य मार्गाक लावया. बरें वायट पारखुया. बरें वायट पारखुया. योग्य नेतो वेचुया. आमच्या फुडारा खातीर, आमच्या फुडारा खातीर लोकशाय आमी पाळुया. लोकशाय आमी पाळुया. लोकशाय आमी पाळुया. देव बरें करूं.
Just a minute. Please don't begin that. Okay. So we said that. Okay. ते धाडू ना. ते धाड दी म्हाका जे मेळ्ळा ते धाडू. ओके. आणि एक आमगेले स्टुडंट आसा जाणें भजन कार्यशाळा भजनी स्पर्धेक वचून थंय भजनी स्पर्धेक वचून ओके. भजन कॉम्पिटिशन ऑल गोवा भजन कॉम्पिटिशनाक ताका 2 प्रायज. फर्स्ट प्रायज मेळ्ळा ताका मडकय हांगासर. मडकय वैभवी खंय आसा लागीं. वैभवी प्लीज कम हियर. प्लीज कम. वैभवी प्लीज कम हियर. सो मडकय हांगासर तांकां फर्स्ट प्लेस मेळ्ळ्या आनी डोगरे हांगासर फर्स्ट प्लेस मेळ्ळ्या. सेकंड प्लेस, प्लीज कम. Inviting Matthew sir, please come here. Samir sir also. Request all teachers. This is all global level, medal competition, and first place and second place.
Okay, once again, congratulations for all the winners. And it was a wonderful program. You all did well. You all deserve a lot of appreciation. So let us once again give them a big hand. Special thanks to our organizers, group leaders, and all those who have won wonderful prizes. Now I just came to make one announcement. In the afternoon, since you all are tired, we will not have any formal classes. But your teachers will be available. You can go to them for any sort of guidance, project guidance. I will also be available. Any project guidance, assignment guidance, those who want, they are available. But there will not be any formal classes in the afternoon. Thank you. All the best.
Please be seated. One more announcement. On 30th, around 31 students are going to Shama Prasad. Now they have changed the location from Shama Prasad. We are going to Father Agnel College. So from here, how many students are leaving from here, Fonda? I wanted to know the names and the number, because we have already booked the ticket and bus is already finalized. 40-seater bus is already there. So 40 students can leave from here. Those students who are coming from Panjim, Mapsar, they can go directly. They did not come here. Okay. So now the venue has changed. The venue is Father Agnel College, Pilar. So all the students from their side, Vasco side, they can go directly there. And students who are coming here, I wanted the name. So give me the names. Before you go, please give me the names and go. Shravan sir is announcing something. Please wait.
हॅलो, परिक्रमा इव्हेंटा खातीर जे कोण पार्टिसिपंट्स आसा तेंच्यांनी एट 2 o'clock प्रॅक्टीस सुरू करपाक शकता, जो आयज आमकां दीस. बॉक्स शेल्टर पार्टिसिपंट्स 2 o'clock ऑन द रमानिया. ओके, थँक यू.
To conclude today's program, we now stand together in respect and pride for our nation. I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. I request our Griffin group to kindly come forward on the stage.
साक्षी तू येता माझ्या वांगडा
एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू कर.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाये तव जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता